Direct in from the last owner. These really are amazing value for money. Great family car, lots of space, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Locally owned, 2-owner car with just 24,000 miles. It is gorgeous. This has also got a panoramic sunroof, which was an option on the vehicle. Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta 1.5dci diesel, 110 brake horsepower. Can you believe combined miles per gallon is over 70 miles per gallon according to Nissan? Very spacious. Let's take you all the way around. A velvet red metallic, looking absolutely stunning. Massive boot on these. Lots of space. Split folding rear seat. You've got this extra floor as well, so you can adjust the height of the floor, give you additional support there. You can hide bits under there, extra height. Great idea with the false floor. No spare wheel on these, all the toolkit there complete. Plenty of space in there. All the bumper nice and clean. Rear parking sensor, just a little mark down the bumper as you've just seen. You've also got rear camera on this vehicle as well. Rear privacy glass. Beautiful all the way around, all down the sides, no dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted, all powder coated in anthracite metallic. New brakes fitted and a complete set of tyres as well. So it's ready to drive away. Got the roof rails. Beautiful down the sides. Front brakes as well, new front discs and pads. All across the front, lovely and clean. And this is why I do the full close-up videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. We get right close, so it's almost like you walking around the car with me. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. Keyless entry, keyless go. All the door trims in great condition. Plenty of legroom there. All the upholstery nice and clean. Of course, panoramic roof with the blind. Makes it very light and airy inside. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Folding mirrors. Lovely and clean. And there's a mileage, just 24,639. That's all it's done, 24,639. 64 plate. As I mentioned, the folding mirrors you've got. Really is a great spec car. Got lane assist, cruise control and speed limiter. Various audio functions on there. Nice clean screen with your radio, aux input, reverse camera, satellite navigation, all very straightforward. Dual zone climate control, AutoHold, locking wheel bolt, 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, central armrest. You've got USB and aux input in there as well. of course the blind if it gets a bit too sunny. A very clean example with such low mileage. Of course we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out low deposit, low monthly payments and apply direct off our website. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. And remember, our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. Click and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can arrange home delivery. Please ask for full and further details. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. So there we have it, our beautiful Qashqai N-Connecta with a panoramic roof, 24,000 miles, fully serviced, brand new set of tyres, wheels all fully refurbished, new brakes all round, and 70 plus miles per gallon combined according to Nissan. What a great car. Phone number is 01782 822 700 if you want any further information. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.